everyone, it's Darlene here and I am so excited. This is August Boxycharm unboxing video. I am super excited. This is just the standard box. It's the one that's $25 a month, and we'll just get right into this because I know you guys are excited to see what's in the box. So I have opened this and I'm actually wearing everything just to let you guys know, so you'll be figuring that out in a little bit. So this is what the box this month look like. Okay, so first thing is this is the card, and this month's is spa, glamping, sunbathe, and yoga slumber. So it's just like s'mores and all the fun stuff that we like to do. And I got variation number 23, and you can tell because it has the number 23 with a heart at the bottom. Okay, so first thing that's in this box is this right here, which I actually picked. This was a choice. I wanted to receive this. It's the QMS Tinted Moisturizer, and I also did a makeup video, so if you want to see how to get this look, I will be uploading that later. But this is a tinted moisturizer. It has absolutely hardly any coverage. I'm wearing it on my face right now. It really didn't, like, it just melted into the skin. So it has really no coverage, but it doesn't feel bad or anything, but it's not something that I'd gravitate to. I know that Garnier has one that they sell at Target. I think they sell it at Walmart or anywhere, and it's like, I think like $20 or even I think maybe like $10. I know that it's really cheap and it works really good, and it has a lot of good stuff in it. This retails for $105, which is insane. That's why I was like expecting it to have more coverage. It's a lightweight sheer color adaptive cream with vitamins, helps to blur imperfections, to reveal visibly glowing, even skin. The combination of skin perfecting light tint and hydrating formula makes this an ideal day cream. I really didn't find it to like really blur anything. I mean, it doesn't look bad. Like, my skin does not look bad, but I have really good skin as is. So I think that if your skin, like if you don't really have good skin, I think you're gonna hate this, honestly, because it doesn't really give you any coverage. But it is something that's good just to wear like when you're around the house. Like, I think that it's gonna be great for that. I don't think I would wear it in public. I don't know. I think like on hot summer days, this would maybe something like, you know how like your foundation lifts and stuff, because you can't see it, you're really not gonna tell. But I was really excited to still get this and try it out. Like I said, $105, that's really expensive. And the next thing that I received is, right here. This is a Morphe brush set. It is a 4-piece eye brush collection. And this is, it says, I got this brush set. And I actually used them today to do this eyeshadow look. So this is what they look like. I can open it. I put everything back in there how it was, just so you guys can get the experience of what it's like to open it. Okay, so these are the brushes that come in this set. It comes with a fluffy brush, and it has some eyeshadow. It was like, I promised, like white when I got it, but I created this look with the palette that I received. It comes with a flat brush, and they do not have numbers, so I don't know what is what. This is like a little more fluffy brush, and that's like more for precision. I actually use it to put my bottom eyeshadow on. And it comes with like an eyebrow brush. You can also use this to do eyeliner if you wanted to. I've used it for that, for like spot correcting, but it's actually meant to do your brows with like a brow gel. So these are really good to have. So I was really excited about this because you can never have too many brushes, and it saves me from having to wash my brushes. I don't know if I mentioned that retails for $12, which is really good. The next thing that's in the box is this baby, oops, I guess this one right here, since it wanted to fly out. It is a Realher I Am Inspired Defining Brow Pencil, and I used it on my brows today. It worked really, really well. Let me go ahead and open it. Okay. She's really skinny, really, really skinny. And as you can see, very, very tight. Actually, I have a spot right there. Just kind of fill that in. And it comes with this spoolie, which is life-saving. Did really good. I thought it was going to be too dark because this, like, honestly looks really, really dark. But because my hair is balayaged, it looks really good on my hair. I don't know if they said what color they sent me. I don't think it says a color, honestly. So it doesn't say the colors. So I don't know if it's just like one color for everyone. I don't really know. And that retails for $16. And it says this long-lasting micro tip pencil allows you to create individual like hairs for a subtle or bold brow look. It is creamy wax-based formulation, glides beautifully and naturally on skin. This waterproof pencil is stress-free to help you through any challenge you face in life. So that is really cool. Waterproof. We'll see about that. But $16, not bad. Like, if I really, really like it, I could repurchase. I should have probably did some brow swipes in my brows instead of just filling them in. Okay, so that's exciting. Like, I love that I created a full face. All I had to do is add some blush, lip gloss, and mascara, but everything else was in this box. So the next thing that I received in this box was this baby here. It is by Butter London, and it retails for $28, which is kind of expensive. I mean, it's a really pretty palette, but the colors were kind of chalky. Like, if you watch my makeup video, like, you'll be able to see. So stay tuned for that and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I do upload that, because I've already got it recorded, obviously. It's just, I'm going to put this video up first before I put that video, so I have to edit it and everything still. But this is what it looks like. I love how it has this looking good, Darlene. Like, that's so cute. But they're really, really pretty shades. I do find that you have to wet this shade to make it go on really pretty, but the shade's amazing. I'm glad they gave a really big thing. As you can see, it's just like the pigment's not there if they're not wet. I actually didn't swipe the swatches yet. That's the light one. Let's try this. What is that? Mick. They're just like really not very pigmented. The brown one. I think this is the one that was like really chalky, you see? They're just like really not smooth. Although they look really pigmented on my hands, they were just coming off kind of chalky. And I'm gonna go ahead and do this shade right here, the purple one that I used. It was just like the pigment just really isn't there, but you can still create a really pretty eyeshadow look with it. You just kind of have to work with them a little harder, which is sad because, I mean, like I said, this retails for $28. That's really expensive, and they have so many other brands out there that are a lot cheaper. So I would just save my money. I really wouldn't purchase this personally. I'm probably going to give it away, honestly. But it's still created a really pretty eyeshadow look. So if you're like new and you're wanting to get into makeup, I mean, it's a good starter palette. You just have to work with it. And I really don't want to have to work for it, you know? So it's not the worst, but not the best. So the next and last thing that I received in this month's Boxycharm is this baby right here. And it's by Aesthetica. And it is an bronzing Aesthetica Sunset Bronzer. That's what it's saying. And I don't think it says like a shade either. Let me see. It just, that's the name, Aesthetic Sunset Bronzer. So I'm guessing it's Sunset Bronzer. So this is what it looks like. It's what I'm wearing to bronze up my face today. And I think it looks beautiful on the skin. Really, really pretty. It's really smooth. Goes on really pretty. But yes, I'm so happy that I received this. Like, I love bronzers, and to me, this one's gonna look so pretty. Winter's coming up, actually fall's coming up, and I love to wear bronzers in the winter and the fall because I get so white. This girl needs some help. And this retails for $24, which isn't bad. I mean, it's a really good bronzer. Like I said, I'm wearing it. I like it, kind of love it. So really happy about that. So let me go ahead and add all this up and figure out the total value of this month's Boxycharm. So the total value of this month's box was $185, and I literally only spent $25. That is insane. That is so, so awesome. Love this box. I honestly think that this is the best box that I have received this year. Awesome. And it's not even a Boxy Luxe. Like, I'm amazed. Boxycharm, thank you. Thank you for growing my makeup collection. Yes, loving it. Yes, and that completes this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe and hit the notification bell down in the corner below. That way you'll be notified every time that I do upload a video. That being said, that completes this video. Bye, God bless. Love you guys.